Girls with Stories.
I'm Alia.
Mochi and Ina here.
We are Moana
Podcast.
In this Moana podcast, we will chat a lot casually and also talk about mental health, especially these young people who are growing up looking for their identity, their parents' expectation, not to mention encountering love problems which make life's burdens even more burdensome, right?
Right.
Okay, in our first episode today, what will we discuss? For our first episode, we really want to talk about mental health. Actually, mental health has a broad meaning, but what we will discuss here is about how we can minimize our stress while carrying out activities at our current age. So many activities such as college, organizations, hobby, and family. Let's start straight away from Mochi's perspective. Incidentally, Mochi can join our podcast today. We will help Mochi to read Mochi's perspective. Okay, from Mochi's perspectives, talking about how we can manage the stress that appears in our lives. Actually, there are many ways, there are many methods or solutions that we can use according to our comfort. If you look at it from Mochi's or us as students, usually it's not uncommon for us to experience boredom, fatigue, and stress in the middle of a trip. Yes or no?
Yes.
Starting from activities that carried out continuously and repeatedly, such as studying, doing assignments, studying for exam, or if you join an organization, then there are meetings that get longer and drain your time and energy. For Mochi, it usually appears when Mochi have a lot of college assignment, and sometimes Mochi feel like Mochi is robot who only does whatever in the lecturer or position in the organization tell me Mochi's to do. Mochi really pray don't have less rest time, and
Okay.
Mochi don't eat regularly. Mochi feel like Mochi have not time face it all alone because that's Mochi's responsibility.
Okay, but actually when Mochi experienced that, Mochi realized that I'm stressed. It feels like the word stress is like really at the lowest point in your lives. So I really don't want to say Mochi is stressed, but actually it's also pray that Mochi can draw that how do I deal with the situation. Sometimes Mochi try to just reflection on Mochi self when I'm Mochi tired. And then Mochi often find that because of the many obligations that Mochi have to do, everything seems to come at the same time to that it piles up. Plus, Mochi saw my lessons which didn't go according to plan. That's why Mochi finally fell down. However, as Mochi said at the beginning, actually, Mochi have doesn't do 100% considering my ability and situation, which make me still continue to adapt to what happens from day to day. So, if there are signs that you are tired and needs a rest, do it. Don't be forced to continue during activities because, in my opinion,
Mochi's opinion.
if a job is done with a feelings of being forced, it won't be optimal. So it's really okay to give yourself a short break. After that, please return to your activities again.
Okay, that's Mochi's perspective. And
Yes.
then there is Mochi's perspective too. After that, Mochi try to tell the story to people close to you, whom you trust. If you have a problem, are stuck, are tired, let those feelings out. Don't keep it to yourself. Sometimes we don't actually want to be given a solution, but just being hard is enough. Then there is another alternative that Mochi usually do when Mochi am not able to tell other people, namely by writing or journaling. Write whatever you are feeling as freely as possible because only you know, in essence, the negative feelings or emotions that we surprise that can come out to relieve us, either by word or writing. Next, Mochi usually reflects or then summarize again one by one what was Mochi's problem at the time. And Mochi usually make a to-do list of what Mochi will do every day. Well, for tasks such as while buying Mochi's favorite food, looking for a new environment by going to a comfort cafe, or meeting people and friends who can lift Mochi's spirits. And there is also one thing that Mochi always try to apply, namely not delaying work. When one comes and Mochi have free time, Mochi try to do straight away and finish it because one of the causes of stress is because work has already built up.
Okay, then to deal with feelings of boredom from work or repetitive addictive, Mochi apply a tip that no matter how busy you are, never give up your hobby. So Mochi start trying to insert my hobbies there in the midst of the busy schedule, which is never even touched on before. Reading books, writing, or even playing and going to places that can calm to the mind while chatting, usually with friends. Or you can also turn off your gadget. Try not to open your gadget during this time.
Okay.
Give time to nature and the environment around you. Don't be like a man with very speed. If you are a little tired, then health straight away set the time or help you take a break while still needing to know our obligation or priorities which are more important.
Okay, maybe up to now, these are some of things that Mochi usually do when it feels like all the burdens are on Mochi's life. In Mochi's opinion, don't procrastinate on work and also manage the emotions that arise in everything we experience. Not reject it, but how do we accept it and then regulate it as positive energy. From there, we will be able to enjoy every process we do more. So, about me.
Okay.
Previously, I often watch YouTube from Maudi Ayunda, who's discussed several similar issues, and in the YouTube session, Maudi's talk entitled "How I Manage Stress," I got several views from there about how to deal with stress.
Okay, nice girl.
The first is that we have to know the signal that our bodies give us. For example, when we are stressed, we usually become lazy to continue the activities that we enjoy. Even though initially we were very enthusiastic to do it, well, that is just one example of the signal that our body gives us when we are stressed. If we have started to be aware of our body's signals, we can find a solution. In Maudi's talk, Maudi said, when we already know about the signals our bodies gives, then we have to seek out activities of flow. Flow in question is an activity that can give us the feeling that we are really in that activity. We are really focused on doing this activity. An example of an activity that can give me flow is when I can recreate recipe that I get on social media. I really get flow there. I become focused in the kitchen and busy cooking. Or to find activities that can provide flow. I just exercise outside the house without a cell phone. I think it really works for me to relieve stress. And how about you, Ina?
Okay, for me actually in manage stress maybe a few almost the same as Mochi and you, such as being optimist in all our activities, taking a short break, tell stories to those close to you, do self-reflection, be disciplined, and don't give up your hobbies. But maybe our way is a little different. And if I'm feeling busy and really hectic in some place, if I'm honest about this activity, I'm really tired and in a bad mood. But it comes back again, all the activities and responsibility that we get and carry out and the moments. This is also our own choices in the past. When we decided to choices, we definitely had to ready for all the consequence. So that's why management is very important. Management, whatever it is, whether in terms of time, health, and this time what we'll discuss in stress management.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back again. So, what do I usually do when it's busy and really hectic in some place activity? Usually, I just draw myself closer to Allah because I don't know what it feels like when I'm really busy. I feel like I want to cry all the times, and I like to complain here and there, just getting on with my everything. Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah again. So really more fun to worship because basically all the efforts I make must be balanced with our prayer, right?
Right.
Okay, next. Maybe next is journaling. Okay, this is actually trivial, but I think it is very important and effective for me. At first, it's a semester, right? Well, how come our people are too lazy and are told to journal? But for me, personality is the same. Being encouragement the get up because with our clear agenda and goals, it makes us focus.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, next. Usually, I also like to tell stories and share my complaints with the people close to me who I trust.
Yeah.
For example, you. Okay, because there must be a lot of complaints that needs to be heard. That's why I felt apart from that. I can also feel it's just a form of expressing myself in my opinion.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe the last one from me. Of course, you should stop hobbies because what we like when we are doing it will definitely increase our energy and it really charges my energy. My hobby is singing. What's your hobby?
Same.
Same.
Yeah.
Really? Okay. It could probably I'm singing be 2 or 3 hours is on its own, and I'm really enjoying that.
Okay, maybe that's all for this episode. We hope it can help you relieve and manage your stress.
Wow, yes.
Moana says
goodbye. Thank you and see you soon.
Bye bye.